Hi everyone, in front of me I've got UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So, if your device is blacking out a little bit too fast for your liking, you can change it. Let's open the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to find the display. Then let's scroll and find screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from what we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom we've got the longest time option, which is 30 minutes, and also the infinite option, let's say, the never one, which means that your device will never black out automatically. So all you have to do is to tap on the option black to use. I'll choose 30 minutes, and after tapping on it and getting back, you can see that it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 30 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.